Hey everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making tater tot casserole. So tater tot casserole is made with minced beef and mushroom soup and some potato gems. So I'll insert a photo of the finished tater tot casserole here so you can see what it looks like. And this is really quick, really easy, and really cheap to make. So I'm going to start off with, I've got about half a tablespoon of oil in my non-stick pan, and I also have my oven on to 300, sorry, not 300. I've got it on at 180 degrees. So in my pan, I'm going to add 250 grams of minced beef, and I'm also going to add 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped clove of garlic that I've chopped fairly finely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this all up until the minced beef is browned, the onion is translucent, and then I'm going to come back and we can start putting together our tater tot casserole. Alright, so now I've cooked up my minced beef and my onions and my garlic. So what I'm going to do now is get ready with for the rest of the ingredients that are going into this. So the very last thing that I'm going to add to my meat and onions mixture is some Worcestershire sauce. So I'm just going to quickly mix that in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this into a casserole dish and make one flat layer with it. Alright, so now that I've moved my meat and onion mixture into my casserole dish, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the rest of my layers. So the first thing that I'm going to do is add my green beans. Now I just bought frozen green beans and have allowed them to thaw. And I'm just going to sprinkle them on top.
Yellow go with it?
Fairly evenly. The next thing that I'm going to add is a can of condensed mushroom soup, of cream of condensed mushroom soup, and I'm just going to layer that on as best I can evenly. I've got 1 cup of shredded tasty cheese.
It's on B, man. Go to the bottom and get a B.
And the last thing I'm going to add is about 1.5 to 2 cups of potato gems. And again, you just want to put them on as best you can in an even layer. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes, and I'm going to wait until the tater tots or the potato gems on top are nice and brown and caramelized, the cheese is melted, and it's nice and bubbly. And that's all you have to do. Once that's done, you can go ahead and serve it up and enjoy. You can serve it with something like a side salad or just as it is. I've just taken the tater tot casserole out of the oven and I'm going to let it rest for about 5 or 10 minutes just to cool down. And then I'm going to serve it up and we are done. Doesn't it look delicious? I've gone ahead and served up our tater tot casserole. It looks and smells absolutely delicious. The only thing that you would need to do is season with a little bit in salt and pepper if you liked. And I'm just going to serve this up. So I hope you like this. I hope you try it. If you like my channel, please consider subscribing, like and comment down below. And I will see you next time on Do It Frugal. Bye!